you'll be able to use these specialized DAOs on the internet computer to control smart contracts, installed on Solana, Ethereum, and so you can actually add decentralization to like DeFi and Web3 projects that are leveraging Ethereum and Solana and so on, using the internet computer through this multi-chain chain key technology, which is trustless math. There's no bridge or anything like that involved.
This is the latest from Definity. ICP revolutionizes blockchain interoperability, eliminating the need for intermediaries like bridges with its multi-chain technology. With chain fusion, multi-chain DApp development becomes seamless. Unlock the future of Web3 with chain fusion. So as you see here, ICP has a lot of exciting things that are going on in its ecosystem, and this multi-chain technology allows ICP to integrate with the Ethereum ecosystem, Cardano ecosystem, Solana ecosystem, and it is going to be changing the game for ICP. We'll be taking a deeper look at ICP in this video, so make sure you watch this to the end. Before we get started, if you guys like this type of content, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm, and we appreciate all your support. And also, if you want to get more training, if you want to get more in depth with your crypto studies, look what we pulled together for you. A 9-hour crash course, understanding the charts, trading, technical analysis, and more. We also have this limited time ultimate bundle package. You get that 9-hour crypto crash course for beginners, and also these 2 ebooks, the Crypto Millionaire Getting Started for Beginners, and also the Crypto Millionaire Technical Analysis 101. If you want to get more in depth, you got to be a student to the game. You get to have continuous education to perfect whatever craft you're looking to perfect. This is why the Bitcoin Bros made this for you. Education is key. Now, taking a look at Internet Computer, at the current time it's recording, we see the market cap is coming in at $7.8 billion, number 18 on CoinMarketCap. Now, if you look at this chart seems pretty flat. The all-time chart, like ICP, seems that it's died. Well, in the depths of the bear market, you see that there was $3, $4, $5 price action. The price has done like a 2 or 3x since then. Right now, at the current time it's recording, we're sitting around $17. But how high can this price really go? Is this project really dead? Is it just hype? Could this give you 100x returns? We'll take a look at all this. First, taking a look at ICP's market capitalization. Current time is recording, we see it at $7.87 billion. And right now, what are we doing? So we came and bottomed out. We have this fib extensions that we're showing you, and we have the swing high to the swing low, and this is what gives us our fib extensions. And then we come up and stair step our way up through the Fibonacci extension levels. Now, we did see this market capitalization way up here, over $100 billion, but ICP received a lot of FUD because as soon as it was released onto the market, there was a lot of speculation that early investors, VCs and such dumped on retail, and that's why it came all the way down, just came down to the bottom. Well, now what do you see? You see that we have this rounding bottom right here, and we have some consolidation, which seems to be bullish. Where can we see this price action going? So if we zoom into this price action a little bit closer, we see that we could be seeing some type of cup and handle pattern that's forming. And if we just draw this straight across, this will be the cup's lid. And what do we see? Did we see this massive cup pattern? We come up and test these levels, and then we have the handle. Could we come back down to flip resistance to support before having this bump and run continuation pattern? If so, where does this technical target take us up to per the market capitalization? Well, you want to pull it down to the bottom where we bottomed out around 962 million in the overall market capitalization, and then we want to pull it up to the lid of this cup, and then we'll get the technical target from where we will be breaking out and potentially up to. Look at this, you can't make this up. This almost perfectly hits the golden pocket 1.618 level at the $54 billion market capitalization. That's almost an 8x from where we are right now. Now, can we overshoot this? Most definitely. But let's look at the price action to see if that corresponds. So at the current time of recording, we see ICP's price actions coming in at $17, and it bottomed out at the depths of the bear market around $2.87. So we've had a huge appreciation since then. And as you see, it just went up and to the right, and we've been forming this bull flag. So where's this bull flag technical target going to take us up to? This could take us all the way up to roughly $52 ICP token. Now, is that what's in the realm of possibility? Definitely, that's about a 3x from where we are right now. So the market cap was showing us an 8x probability or potential based off of this breakout pattern. And it's just so you can see, that's roughly a 600% appreciation from where we are right now. Definitely a huge appreciation. But what do we see in this price action? So we've seen some confluence right here. You see that this price action fell down and actually established somewhat of a floor right here around this $15.6 billion range. So let's draw a line right here just so we can, just sort of draw a trend line. And we see that we got caught up. We tried to wick above it once, twice, and got rejected. And this once again is forming this similar pattern of this rounding bottom, another handle. So this is a bump and run pattern. So if we pull to the bottom of this up to the neckline of that cup, that'll take us up to where our technical target would be. And once again, that takes us up to roughly an $85 up to this level right here. So if we look at this too and draw another line, could we get rejected by this once we get up to this level? And could ICP even go higher? So this could be what's in the cards for ICP. You gotta look out on the macro. So in the micro, we could run up and see a $86 ICP target once we get off to the races. Now, zooming out, what do you see? You see a shoulder. This would be a massive head. If we come up to this level and then get rejected, but then have a retest, what does that show us? That shows us another shoulder for an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So now you have to pull this technical target from this peak of the $86 mark, which is in the midterm, and then the long term could potentially take this up to roughly, if we pull this up to roughly a $2,579 ICP target. Now, is this possible? Is this realistic? Could this be for the next bull run and not this bull run? It's definitely in the cards. The team's working on some good stuff. They're working on the interoperability chains. We showed you all that. But right now, a 225.79 divided by 17, that's 151x. So looking at the overall market capitalization, you'd be doing, just round this up to 8 billion times 151. That'd be a $1.2 trillion market capitalization for ICP. So could this target be hit? Yes, potentially, but this might not happen till later years. We got to see a huge influx of money come into the crypto space. Would ICP be in price discovery? Most definitely. 151x from where we are right now, that could be the long-term target. So a 2,500 plus ICP, that potentially could be in the realm of possibility. Maybe not for this bull run, but we'll see a $80 to $90 ICP target. But if we get rejected by this, you can't deny the fact that we have this huge inverse head and shoulders pattern that could be playing out. So with that, are you invested in ICP? What's your target over the next 12 months? Leave your comment below. And with that, if you like content like this from the Bitcoin Bros, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash this like button. And with that, that's all I have for you today, and I'm out.